remove the power. Open the holes. Take your card, remove the sleeve. Put your card in, watch out for the main board. You should hear a click. Temporary fix. Don't forget the screws. Do a little bit, then lift the card and then till the end. And you put the second screw. It will not work unless you put the power button. Power. Take your power. Here and here. Put them together. The right side, the correct side. Like this. Always a little bit difficult. One. Two. Put the cable in. And it will work.